All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set we just had done for a customer. Now this one's real nice. It's a 10 on 10 and it is solid 10K gold, and these are the single caps, so you can see the definition in between each tooth. That's because it's cut all the way through. These are single caps and it gives it that nice permanent look. Check that out. This is real gold. It's not gold plated. It's made out of solid 10K gold, guys. You can get yours on our website, blingcartel.com. This is custom handmade work made from an actual impression of your teeth, so it will fit perfectly. Check that out. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.